Good evening. Today I am going to discuss multiple choice questions of Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening written by Robert Lee Frost. We have already known about the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. In this lesson, I shall discuss with you MCQ questions. Before that, I am speaking to you people about the subject of Robert Frost poem. In Robert Frost poem, the subject of the poetry is charm and beauty of country life. Country life means village life. Charm and beauty of country life. Secondly, the subject of Robert Frost poetry is nature. He has written about nature. And thirdly, everyday experiences. So three things is important in the Robert Frost poetry: charm and beauty of country life, nature, and everyday experiences. But one thing that he has not written by religion in his poetry. So the poet wants to give message to us that one should continue to live one's life peacefully while fulfilling all the duties and responsibilities. That we have to know in the last stanza of the poem: the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. One should try to avoid all the temptations that come in one's way. One should learn to resist all the allurements and fascinations which come in your way towards your goal. So this is the message about the poem. Once again I am telling you message about the poem: one should continue to live one's life peacefully while fulfilling all the duties and responsibilities. One should try to avoid all the temptation that come in one's way. One should learn to resist all the allurements and fascinations which come in your way towards your goal. So now I am discussing some MCQ questions. You know that Robert Frost was an dash poet. Robert Frost was an American poet. Robert Frost was born on 26th March 1874. We have already discussed in my first class, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Robert Frost was born in 1874 and died in 1963, and he was one of the most popular American poets. So Robert Frost was an American poet, and Robert Frost was born on 26th March 1874. The poet wanted to stop wanted to stop towards the woods, wanted to stop by the woods. Dash. Why? That means why the poet wanted to stop in the woods? Because to enjoy the scene. In the books, we know that whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. So the poet stopped. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. So he, or the poet, wanted to stop in the woods to enjoy the scene. Next, here, woods means what? We know that woods means forest. I have already described in my lecture 1 and lecture 2 classes of stopping by woods on a snow evening about the woods. This poem has written in which season? The season described in the poem is the season. Which season it is described the poem? The season is winter, because it is the time of cold. It is the cold season, and we see the line to watch his woods fill up with snow. Snow means snow here, snow in the season is the winter. Next, the speaker was riding, or the poet was riding on dash. से क्योंथिरे जाउथिले, क्योंथिरे चढ़िकी जाउथिले? The answer is horse. The speaker was riding on horse. The woods were filled with dash snow. To watch his woods fill up with, woods were filled with snow. To watch his woods fill up with snow. Next question. To stop without a farmhouse near. To stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and dash. Between the woods and dash lake. Between the woods and frozen lake. It is in the second stanza that to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake. The poet stopped. Where the poet stopped? The poet stopped between the woods and frozen lake. The poet stopped between the woods and frozen lake. And this stanza, in the second stanza, last line or fourth line of second stanza is the darkest evening of the year. So it was the dash evening of the year. It was the darkest evening of the year. Next stanza, he gives his harness bells a sack to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flag. So the horse sacks its harness bell, a sack. The horse sacks its harness bell to ask if there is some dash, if there is some mistake. भूल बसतः कवि एठारे अटकी जाइछन्ति बोली भाबी घोड़ाटी तांकर बेकरे झुलुथुवा घंटी को से हलाइले. The poet could not stop to enjoy the beauty of the scene because the poet could not stop to enjoy the beauty. The poet, attracted by the woods, that woods was full of snow, but the poet could not stop to enjoy the beauty of the scene because he was in a hurry, because he has a lot of duties and responsibility. What I have described in the message about the poem. So here the poet wants to fulfill all the duties and responsibilities. Next question number 12. The horse thought that it was dash to stop there. It was where to stop there. It was where to stop there. It's in the stanza he gives his harness bells a sack to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flag. And it is in second stanza. The horse thought that it was to dash to stop there, where to stop there. Robert Frost, that we know in the introducing the author, Robert Lee Frost died in the year 1963. The little horse must think it queer. What does the word queer means? Queer means here strange. Queer means here strange. And what we have read of the only other sounds, the sweep of easy wind and downy flag. Flag means here light piece. Flag means light piece. And the only other sounds, the sweep of easy wind and dash flag. This is the downy flag. This is the downy flag. Means here easy wind धीर पवन एवं डाउनी फ्लैग मीन्स बरफखंड निम्नगामी हेबा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द पोएम इज रिटेन इन डैश. द पोएम इज रिटेन इन डैश टेट्रामीटर. द पोएम इज रिटेन इन iambic pentameter. IAMBIC, iambic tetrameter. This poem is written in iambic tetrameter. What is not the subject of Robert Frost poetry? Religion is not the subject matter of Robert Frost poetry. I have already told you that the subject matter of Robert Frost poetry is charm and beauty of country life. And secondly, about the nature. Thirdly, everyday experiences is the subject matter of Robert Frost poetry. But religion is not the subject matter of Robert Frost poetry. In Robert Frost poetry, we cannot see about the religion. Next question. What is the setting? What is the setting of the poem? The setting of the poem is near the woods on a dark snowy evening. That we have the red, the stopping by the woods, near the woods, stopping by woods, and the woods is dark and snowy evening. That evening was the snowy evening. The woods are dark, deep. The woods are dark, lovely, dark and deep. So the setting of the poem near the woods on a dark and snowy evening. What does the word promises refer to? Here promises refer to duties and responsibilities which speaker had towards himself and others. So here the poet wants to say that we have to fulfill our ambitions, goals, duties, and what is our responsibility. And this stanza, last stanza, is also the favorite poem of Jawaharlal Nehru. In the last stanza, he learnt the responsibilities. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. So duties and responsibilities which speaker had towards himself and others. So we should always do our duties and responsibilities. Next question. What is the core theme of the poem? The core theme of the poem is the pull of alone in the nature against the pull of responsibilities. आमको जेते सौंदर्य आकर्षण कले मध्य प्रकृति आकर्षण कले मध्य आमको आमर दायित्व करिबाकू पड़िबो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. What is the thing that pulls the speaker away from the woods? Promises the speaker needs to keep in the last stanza. That's why here the writer mentions that I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. So promises the speaker, promises the speaker needs to keep. So we should keep our promises. The poem has dash rhyme scheme. We know the rhyme scheme, that whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village though, no, though, then he will not see me stopping here, or then to watch his use, fill up with snow. So the rhymings are A, B, A. Next, B, C, B, queer, near, lake, then year, then third stanza also sack, mistake, sweep, flake, so CC, DC, and last one the deep, keep, sleep, sleep. So last stanza DD. This is the rhyming scheme of the poem. How many stanzas are there in the poem? We know the 4 stanza. This poem has 4 stanza, and each stanza has 4 lines. I have already told you in my lecture 1 and 2 classes that each stanza has 4 lines. 4 lines is called quatrains. Last question, that the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have dares to keep, I have promises to keep. It has in the last stanza. So in this poem I have described to you people some multiple choice questions. You can make notes in a note copy. It will help you for your board examinations. Multiple choice question will come in your board examination. In the next class, I will describe you the exam pattern of the board examinations. Thank you.